Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting, not by talking. Clear the floor and open windows for ventilation. Once cleared, repair cracks and fill holes so the paint bonds. Sand glossy areas and vacuum thoroughly, then wipe with a tack rag. Make sure to mix the paint per the label and strain it if needed. Pour into a tray and mark your painting path with chalk lines. Begin at the far corner so you work back toward the exit and maintain a wet edge for smooth coverage. You now focus on application technique. Load a 3/8 to 1/2-inch nap roller evenly and start in a 3 by 6 foot section, rolling in parallel passes, then cross-rolling for uniform texture. Once done with sections, use an angled brush to cut in along baseboards and around fixtures. Make sure to feather the brush strokes into the rolled area so seams disappear. Keep a wet edge by working methodically and overlapping rolls by about 50%. Thin coats dry fast. You finish by respecting dry and cure times. Follow the label for dry time, lightly sand between coats if you see texture or dust nibs, then apply the final coat evenly. Once done, keep traffic off for the recommended cure period, often 24 to 72 hours, and avoid heavy loads for several days. If you discover peeling, poor adhesion, or uneven gloss, stop. Test adhesion in a small area, sand back to sound substrate. Clean, prime if
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.